Let's take a look at this question. Which of the following is correct regarding partnership tax return? 1. No tax return is due with the filing of a partnership tax return, even if the partnership earned profit in excess of $50,000. So the question is, hold on a second, no tax due with the filing of the partnership made then $50,000. And the question is, yes. The question is, there's no tax due, period. The partnership don't pay any taxes. You have to understand this. The partnership don't pay any taxes. Why not? The partnership is only an informational return. It's a tax return, but only it's informational. It's a Form 1065. So you have to understand whether you earned 50,000, a million, 5 million, or $1. There's no tax due. The partnership don't pay any taxes. Therefore, 1 is correct. I can take out immediately B, and I can take out D. And I have to look at number 2 to see if number 2 is correct. Then it's both A, 1 and 2. A partner tax return is filed on a 1040 on a Form 1065. Yes, it's filed on a Form 1065. I'm going to show you the form on the next page. So both of them are correct. So no tax return. And here we go. So to make kind of, I like when students can see things. And if you inspect this 1065 form, there is no place where you pay taxes on your ordinary income. So what you have to do, usually you pay taxes on the profit. So notice you get to ordinary business loss, you look interest due under the look-back period, interest due under the look-back method, so on and so forth. But there's no place where the partnership pay income taxes. There's taxes and licenses, those part of your operating business, but not taxes on ordinary income. The partnership don't pay any taxes. The partnership itself don't pay any taxes. Now, if you're looking at Form 1020, not 1020S, you will see when you look at 1020, Form 1020, not 1020S, you will see that they have place where they pay taxes,
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.